Come again.
Upon the mountain, chanting, drinking from the fountain. I, upon the mountain, chanting, drinking from the fountain. All right, all right.
I've been teaching here off and on for about 4 years and it's been great. The first week we focused on skill development, posture, getting your hands to work, remember to keep turning, and get all the basic skills going. In the second week, people are working on their own projects. You see behind me the glory holes, they're going at about 1100 degrees Celsius, so it's a very hot place to work, but it's exciting and you can make some very beautiful things.
There's a lot of things still growing. Every year I come here, it's a great change of stuff. Very interesting. Watch the production crew work. Probably one of the best things though is the staff. Extremely helpful, friendly, do anything possible to make your class and as a student to make you get work done. Just really enjoy it. Hope I get to teach here many years from now.
This passion within Yilmaz and Idil and all the people here at the glass furnace will help it continue for many, many years in the future. The experience of teaching with people from 5 different countries. We had students from Israel, from the United Kingdom, from the United States, from Turkey, and as far away as Australia. Made it an incredible international group.
All right, all right. Oh, up on the mountain top. Up on the mountain top. Yeah.
I get the high from Istanbul twilight. I get the high from Istanbul twilight.
I'm reaching. Why would you set me free?
The glass furnace is a great place to jump into the fascinating world of glass, to make new experiences, to meet people from all over the world who are interested in the same field, to learn and to exchange knowledge. Yeah, glass furnace is the perfect place, a perfect school.
This place is a very amazing place, unique in its style, especially for all the potential for creating glass with so many kilns, machines, equipment, and the countryside here is very inspiring too. You can really relax and meditate with glass, sharing with the students, so many things. It's always a wonderful experience for me, and I love Turkey, and I love Turkish people, and I hope to come back.
For somebody like me who is really kind of an amateur, the ability to work with professional people doing production, to learn from international glass artists, and to have a feeling of the community, it's a wonderful experience, and I can highly recommend that for anybody to come here.
I'm really happy to be here. It was a wonderful experience. I highly recommend it. People are wonderful, especially in the glass furnace. All the staff, the teachers were amazing.
Everyone here is very kind. Really, I enjoyed very much for that. I enjoyed very much. I had a great time.
For me, it was a great experience. At home, I'm doing a completely different kind of job. I'm developing educational material for schools, and it's very good to find out that you can do something completely different as well. For me, it was really a very good experience.
I had a wonderful experience here, working and meeting everybody, and I think I will come back definitely, maybe next year.
Cam kursunu tanıdık üzerine buldum ve çok hoşuma gitti. Berlin'den geliyorum. Tabii Türkiye'de böyle bir şey olduğunu duyar duymaz hemen evet oraya cam ocağına gideyim, kursa katılayım dedim ve çok memnun kaldım.
3 yıldır cam ocağına gelip gidiyoruz. Burada tanıştık. Markamızı burada kurduk. Kurma sebebimiz cam ve cam ocağı. Yeni bir sayfa açmamıza sebep oldu cam ocağı hayatımızda. Yeni sayfamızın adı da Cam Mekan.
Cam ocağı ise bu büyüyü aile haline getirdi. Ve biz burada evimizdeymiş gibi hissediyoruz ve öyle yaşıyoruz.
Markayı burada besliyoruz, burada yaratıyoruz, burada tasarlıyoruz, burada imal ediyoruz ve kendi ellerimizi kullanıyoruz.
İki hafta sonunda yapılan işlerin sergisi beni çok mutlu ediyor. Görüyorsunuz ki 2 haftada cam sanatından neler öğrenilebiliyor ve hocalardan neler alınabiliyor. Kendi fikirlerini de katarak, kendi yaratıcılıklarını da katarak ne gibi eserler meydana geliyor. Bunları görmek eskiden açıkçası hayal bile edemezdim. Ama şimdi gözlerim yaşarıyor bazen. Çünkü hakikaten çok güzel parçalar çıkıyor. Ve inşallah okulun bundan sonraki derslerinde de başarılı öğrenciler olacaktır. Teşekkür ederim.